Today we've had a mixture of employers and entrepreneurs in to talk to students, so 10 in total from a variety of all different backgrounds. So the aim of today really was to open students' eyes to the wealth of opportunities available to them once they finish their course here, and to get them thinking about the sporting industry and the wider aspects of that industry.
I've taken a lot of, course, advice. I've really taken as much out of this opportunity that I could. When I first walked through the door, I thought, here we go, it's going to be one of those days, but I really have taken on a lot of advice and a lot of information that they've sort of kindly provided me with.
So it's really nice when you engage with people and work with people who either have similar ambitions to sort of, to what I've been doing in my past and what I do currently. It's really nice when you meet people who want to do that kind of stuff, but it's also really nice when you meet people who don't have an idea of what they want to do, because you can kind of zone in on the things that they enjoy or that they're interested in and talk to them a little bit about that and how that could be a trajectory that they go on. And sometimes it's just planting that initial seed that can be an idea for them as well, not just what they are told might be a good option for them.